Morning all, you join me on a Thursday morning. I'm just going to get a bit of content. This is a wood chipper that we've had come in on the farm. Radley give me a call, so we're just going to go and have a look at that. So here we are, we got this chipper in this morning. Told that's about 800 horsepower. That is. Got Radley here, look, on the old action. Their old thing with an old one. Morning, Radley. Morning. How you getting on, buddy? Some bigger stuff that's going to go through there, so we look forward to seeing that. Move on now to the next heat. It's quite a clever thing, look. I mean, that's quite strange sitting up there and moving it though. I bet it is. Make it work now with these bit bigger ones. It's going to go for them, I think. So it's an Albach machine. Hope I pronounced that right. Albach. It's got an MAN engine in it, and it's around about 800 horsepower. So what a machine, eh? So it feeds in there. Look, you see it? Feeds in there. There's the jaws. Further away so you can see it all. But yeah, Radley's just got to go and tip on our beat pad, so it's not very far away, and then he'll be back on it again. But there's some trees which are just clearing up alongside one field that had a bit of a clear up, so I just getting the trees tidied up really. I think there's some more houses being built along here. So the size of that. Yeah, 800 horsepower. diesel bill for that. Yeah, look at it all. Wagons all in there. What a machine. But that's a funny old feeling sitting up there. It's really... Yeah, so just having a word with the guy who drives it. He's telling me it weighs 38 tonnes, this machine. It's got a log splitter there, look. So if there's anything too big, it will split the log. So, what a machine. Old Radley won't be long and then we'll get going again. Here he comes. Here comes Radley. Try to be careful not to take the stakes out. Here he comes. Hello, buddy. He's missed me already, hasn't he, eh? Eyeball, Radley. Oh, 2 today. Well, there we are. Bigger stuff gonna go for it now, so we'll do that. Bit of a move up now. Got young Radley there as well. Morning, Radley. In the tractor now, just moved up. Well, he's chopping a bit more. That come out of there. Look. Hellfire! Get out of this stuff. Look, what do you reckon of that, Bradley? I wouldn't mind the hair on them bigger bits. How you open the doors, would you? That's like your V8 Scania. Big old machine, eh? Big old machine. One thing, oh Henry, he'd love this. He would say nom nom nom. There it goes. He would love it. Controller now there. Bigger bits there now going to go through. load he had, he said was 6 ton on there, so obviously it doesn't weigh that much, but yeah, that's still good old chips. On the trailer there now, very good chips. There's another load, all loaded up. Now going to go back to the pad and be tipped up. You can see there's some good old chip on there, look. Bradley said it was only about 6 tons, so anyway, off he goes. Might just go and get old Droney out there and have a go with that, I think. Yeah, so we're just making a little bit of a mess, but we'll get that cleared up when we're done. It's the tuk-tuk. So we got something a little different for it to chomp into now. Some of these big old bits here. We've got the wood splitter there, look. They go into the machine. Get the arm out as well. Quite a cool thing. There we go. Get the flywheel going. There we go then. It's a fair old machine, isn't it? Listen to that bugger. It's a fair old appetite on that, isn't it? Oh, there is big load. Big load. Oh well. Bradley has described that as something, but I'm not going to say what he described that as. Something plug. Got some fair old logs there, look. They're going to split that. Logs split away there. Fair old bit of kit, look. Yeah, look at that. The fair old bit. Hang on to that. Powering that. That's what you call a wood split, that is. Same ones already. We got Bradley's now back to the tractor. Just waiting for him to start that flywheel up now. Hopefully we'll get a bit of a whistle or something from it. Just admit, I feel a little bit guilty today not being at work because all this is going on. He probably needs a hand, but there we are. know we're using the wires on the trailer there, look, so we can see exactly what we got on there. We're trying to get a lorry load of what we're trying to do. Well, I say I'm not actually at work today, but anyway, I'm here. Another load now going. Bradley's taken. Right, so I am going to call it a day now. I've just come across to have a look at this machine working today and get some content of it. So anyway, I got some drone stuff of it, and also got the old GoPro on it as well. So anyway, from me and this big old chipper machine, just thought I'd come and have a look at the heap of chip. Size as well. Yeah, so for me and this big old chipper machine, I am away tomorrow as well. So I'll see you Monday. Monday will be the next Bradley and Mark video. Bye bye.